There's a hormone disaster happening in your body that's aging you faster than smoking. Your growth hormone levels are plummeting, and with them, your ability to build muscle, burn fat, and maintain youthful vitality. By age 60, you have only 20% of the growth hormone you had at 20. Growth hormone is your body's fountain of youth. It repairs tissues, builds muscle, burns fat, and keeps your cardiovascular system young. When it drops, everything starts falling apart. Your metabolism slows, your energy crashes, your muscles shrink, and your body begins aging at an accelerated rate. The medical establishment wants you to believe this decline is inevitable, but it's not. Recent research has discovered that you can naturally boost your growth hormone levels by up to 16 times normal using specific protocols. No injections, no expensive treatments, just strategic interventions that trigger your body's own production. The breakthrough came when researchers discovered that controlled heat stress could trigger massive growth hormone release. When you expose your body to intense heat for specific durations, it creates a hormonal cascade that floods your system with growth hormone. But timing is everything. Most people trying heat therapy are doing it wrong. They're using the wrong temperatures, the wrong duration, and the wrong frequency. That's why they're not seeing these dramatic hormonal benefits. The optimal protocol involves 4 30-minute sauna sessions in a single day, spaced several hours apart, at temperatures of 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. This specific pattern triggers maximum growth hormone release while providing incredible cardiovascular benefits. The results are nothing short of miraculous. People who implement this protocol report increased muscle mass, decreased body fat, improved energy, and a sense of vitality they haven't felt in years. It's like turning back the clock on their entire physiology. But you can't just do this randomly. The protocol must be implemented with precision to maximize benefits and ensure safety. You need to understand hydration requirements, timing strategies, and how to progress safely. I've compiled all of this research into a comprehensive guide that gives you the exact protocols for natural growth hormone optimization. You'll discover how to safely implement these strategies and maximize your hormonal benefits. Don't let the hormone disaster steal your vitality. Click the link in the description to get the scientifically proven protocols that can restore your growth hormone levels and give you back the energy and physique of your youth.